Kara, you are an A+ actor. You're not a B-list celebrity. You are an A-lister. Kara, stop drinking water. You're gonna pee all over the place. What's going on, Boot Gang? So, it's your girl Boots. Today we're gonna pull a mini prank on Chino. It's not gonna be a big one, just a little one. But I'm gonna do that I lost Kara prank because Chino loves his dog. And you guys have also asked me to do this prank on him before, so like, why not do it today? So I'm gonna put Kara in my car, but I'm gonna make sure that my car's in the shade, that she has her little thing of water, and I'm gonna even write a little note that says, hey guys, I'll be back to the car in 5 minutes. I'll timestamp it, the whole thing, so that no one freaks out about Kara, because it's dangerous when you do leave dogs in your car for a long time. But no, this is only gonna be 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, guys, so don't freak out. So Chino went to the store and to get some groceries or something, so he should be back soon. I'm gonna call him right now, and I'm just gonna tell him that I took her for a walk and that she ran off. And let's just see what he says. I hope he believes me. I don't think I'm a good liar. Chino.
Yeah.
I have to tell you something.
Hold on a second, come on. Yeah, what's up?
I figured since you went out, I would take Kara like for a little like walk around the apartment, but I don't think I put on her harness right because she just like slipped it off and she ran.
Hold on. What?
Kara ran off.
Where? Wait, what? Where did she go?
I don't know. She can't be far. It just happened right now. I'm at the apartment.
Where are you? Where are you? Are you in the apartment or did you leave?
No, I'm in the apartment. I just came back up. I was looking for her, but I don't know.
When you're back in the apartment, why did you go downstairs? Where's Kara?
I was looking for her right now, but I couldn't find her. So I figured, you know, like I think it's best if we just, like, you said that you have a chip in her.
Boots. No, go back outside and try to find her real quick. Did you call her? She just ran off?
Yeah, I don't think I put on the I don't know what it is, the harness. I don't think it was clipped on all the way, and she slipped off because she was like pulling. You know how she pulls when you walk her, and it just came off, and she booked it.
Okay, so did you even run after her?
I did, but she's fast, and I have a bad knee.
Okay, so so you just went back upstairs?
I looked for her first, and then when I realized she was long gone, I came back up because I was hoping you'd be back by now.
Okay, where did you lose her at? At the park area? Or where?
Yeah, near the park area.
Oh my god, dude. Alright, I'm gonna go, cause I'm leaving the grocery store right now. I'm right by the car. I'm gonna go circle around like near the park area and see if I can find her.
Okay.
And then, if anything, I'll come back to the house.
Okay.
God damn it, dude. You took her out for a walk?
Yeah, she was crying.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm on the way.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's go. Come on, mamas. Kara pranks dad. This is what is going on today. Yeah, girl gang? Yeah. And we're going, Kara. We are going. Okay, Kara, I'm gonna put some water for you right here for when you get thirsty. Okay? Dang, Kara. Relax. So I'm just gonna wait here until Chino gets back. Or until he tells me that he's back. I already called him. Good girl, Kira. Yeah. So I guess I'll just wait for Chino to tell me that he's here. Shouldn't be long. Kira, you are an A+ actor. You're not a B actor. You're not a B-list celebrity. You are an A-lister. Kira, stop drinking water. You're gonna pee all over the place. Do you want to do the chapstick challenge with me, Kira? Let's do it right now when Chino's not looking. You'll never know. Oh, do you want to sniff my chapstick? Do you taste it? Do you need another lick? Tell me now, Kira. Okay, so Gina just texted me. Let's see what he said.
Boots, I'm back at the crib. Where are you at?
Okay, he's here. It's time to do it. Okay, Kira, now I'm actually gonna have to leave you in the car for like 4 or 5 minutes. You got it, right? You're good? Kira, you gotta tell me that you're good, okay? Are you good? Kira! She doesn't want to be left in the car. Okay, I promise it's only gonna be like 4 or 5 minutes, okay? Okay. You got your water right here, okay? Good girl. I love you. Alright, I'll be back, okay? Oh my god, I feel so bad leaving Kira in my car right now. Come on.
If Kira's in there, I'm gonna be pissed.
She's not. I wish she was.
Kira.
We need to go look for her.
You swear on God. Kira.
Why would I lie?
Kira.
I can't believe you don't believe me. Did you just check a cabinet?
Yes, I checked the cabinet because you could have put her in there.
I would not do that.
Then, where is my dog?
I already told you.
Kira. Bruh. You swear on God.
We have to go look for her.
Swear on God.
I swear.
On God.
Yes.
On God.
On God.
That what?
That she came off of her harness. And now you're just wasting time. She's really gone. She slipped off.
Come on, dude. Come on. I don't have time for this right now.
Well, come on. Look, let's just take my car. We'll go to the vet. You said that there's a chip in her already, so.
I don't even know what vet they're looking for.
You've never taken her to the vet?
No, I'm saying I don't know. I've never had to do that. Yes, there is a chip in her. I don't know how to do it. She just called.
Well, come on, we have to go.
I swear.
What if someone takes her?
Where is Kira? What happened? Play by play. What happened?
You left.
Literally 5 minutes. I was gone 10 minutes at max just to go get some freaking soda. I didn't get the soda.
You left.
Uh-huh.
I got bored. Kira was crying at the door.
Yeah, so.
Okay, and I was like, oh, well, I don't know how long Gina's gonna take, so I was like, I'll just take her on a walk. And I thought I put the harness on correctly, but I didn't.
So, where is she? Where did you leave her? Who's that?
Maybe that's someone calling for Kira.
No, she doesn't have a thing on her. She doesn't have a number on her. Because it's unnecessary.
Why?
Because it's unnecessary.
Well?
Alright. You're driving. I know.
I know.
I know one place one vet place that has that can look it up. And that's the only place I ever take you out here. Usually I take her when I'm in Arizona.
You've lost her in Arizona?
No, to the vet in Arizona, Boots. Her real doctor is in Arizona.
Oh. So she has like a fake doctor out here?
No, it's just like a sign, like if there's anything ever wrong with her, I'm gonna take her there. But I have no idea how any of this stuff works. And I don't know what to do or what to call. I've never lost Kira.
Wanna go get boba and then go get Kira?
No, I don't want to get boba. You already got boba.
More boba?
No, more boba. It's over with for the boba.
You don't want any boba?
No, let's just go, dude. Come on.
It'd make you feel better.
You're never, ever, ever walking Kira. Ever again.
Why? I love Kira. Chino. I'm sorry.
Oh
Look, we're gonna find her.
Yeah,
Who the hell would want Kira?
Everybody wants Kira.
No one wants that raggedy looking dog.
No one wants you. God. It's so aggravating.
Oh my god, look, she's right there. I'm sorry. Look, we're gonna find her, okay?
Good God.
Everything's gonna be fine. We're gonna go get some boba.
Oh my God.
No, don't call your dad.
Call my dad.
No, just, Chino, don't call your dad. He's gonna think I'm such a...
I don't care. I'm trying to figure out what to do.
What do you have to tell your dad?
To figure out what to do.
We're gonna go to the vet right now. Put the phone down. God. You're gonna see the chip and you're gonna be fine because she's gonna be in like the 5-mile radius of here because I just lost her, okay? It only happened like 10 minutes ago.
What are you doing in the car?
Like 3 minutes.
You just left her in the car?
For 3 minutes, look, I even put water. I even left a little note.
Oh.
See? She's fine. Tina, are you okay?
How long were you in there? It's okay, you can speak. Are you okay? Is everything okay? Blink.
Kira's about it. She's about it. She was like, you want to do this prank today, Boots? And I was like, yeah, Kira, you're so down. And then we did it.
Blink twice if everything's okay. Oh my God, dude. How long was she up here?
Literally like 3 or 4 minutes. When you told me you were here, that's when I left her in here. So relax.
I literally didn't even check out of the store. I just came right back. I went all the way to the grocery store to buy nothing.
Well, doesn't this make you like appreciate Kira so much more?
No! Now I gotta go all the way back to the grocery store because you want to do some stupid stuff.
Don't be mad. I'm upset.
You're going to the grocery store. You might as well just turn around, go into your little car, go to the grocery store, you buy the Swifty juice.
I guess I owe you some Swifty juice, but not right now. Maybe tomorrow.
No, maybe today. I went all the way there. Left.
Chino actually looks really mad. She wanted to know what it was like inside of my car. I swear she did. Kira, wasn't that just so much fun? It was, wasn't it?
No, it wasn't. Oh, it was stupid. Kira, no.
Kira, come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
You're holding her back. Kira.
No.
Come here, Mom.
No.
Come here, Kira.
Sit. Good girl. That's where loyalty lies. Lay. Good
Kira.
girl. Roll over. No,
Come here.
no.
Yes. Yes. Girl gang. She got so excited that she peed. Wow, that happened really fast.
Jesus, Butch.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching Freno, I was gonna say Freno. Anyways, if you guys like watching that, give it a thumbs up for me, please. And don't forget to subscribe. I can't talk today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodles.
Hey.
Huh.
Oh, and go show love to Kira's Instagram.
I always forget she has an Instagram.
Yeah, this is at Cleekai Kira.
I love her Instagram, actually. I've gone through it a couple times, and I think I've even commented on it.
Yeah?
Yeah, but she hasn't responded to me. She thinks she's too cool for me on Instagram, you know? Dogs these days. Anyways, alright. Toodles, guys.